Hello. It's so good to be here. It's Mama Babe, and I see you, and you, and you, and you. Hello, hello, my friends. Can you say hello? My name is Mama Babe. Can you say hello? We're gonna have some fun. Are you ready to play? Tell me your name, my friends. Tell me your name. Come on, call it out. Oh, yes, I love those beautiful names. And I love starting with this song, don't you? Mama Babe welcomes you to Secrets of the Heart.
Secrets of the heart. Secrets of the heart.
Rainy, can you call Bhutan so he can help us with the Young Master's Pledge? Oh, it sounds like rain, doesn't it? Okay, are you ready? Can you all stand up? I see you and you. Is everybody standing? Okay. Oh, you too. Here we go. Make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. Ready? I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day
every day
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, very good, young masters. You may be seated. Are you sitting crisscross applesauce? Oh, what's that? Oh, yes. Rainy says she'd like to do the breathing song today. Let's raise our hands first to thank the sun. Thank you for shining, sun. Let's put our hands like this on our lap. Let's breathe the sunlight in and out. Close your eyes. Oop, are your eyes closed? Didn't that feel good? Oh, yes, Rainy. Rainy wants to know if you'd like to learn a new secret. Today's secret is in the question of the day.
What is life?
Oh, thank you, Philos. Today's secret is life. You know, some people who cannot hear speak words by using their hands. This is how you say life in American Sign Language. Can you sign and say it with me? Life. Yes, let's do it again. Life. Very good. And I'll bet Zuumi knows about life. Has anybody seen Zuumi?
Sure have. Hi, Mama Babe.
Hi, Zuumi.
Hi.
Do you know today's secret?
Sumi loves secrets.
No. And today's secret is life.
Whoa,
Do you know what life is, Zuumi?
whoa, that's a big question. Life. Well, I think life is breathing.
So, when we breathe, we're breathing life.
Yes. And if you put a hand on your chest, you can feel the beat of your heart. That's life.
Oh, well, where can you see life?
You can see life everywhere. In animals, in trees, in plants. It's in us. It's everything.
So everything is life?
Yes, everything is life.
Is life in the fish that swim and the birds that fly?
Life.
In the bees and the butterflies?
Life.
Oh, so we never want to do anything to hurt life.
Oh no, Mama Babe. We have to be kind and careful with life.
Life is a special gift, isn't it, Zuumi?
Yes, Mama Babe. Do you know what letter life starts with?
Well, tell me, Zuumi.
It starts with the letter L. Life. Can you say it with us?
Life. Very good, young masters.
Mhm.
Oh, thank you, Zuumi.
Oh, you're welcome, Mama Babe. I'm so happy that there's life.
Oh, me too, Zuumi. Me too.
So, what's in the treasure chest today, Mama Babe?
Oh, you know, Zuumi. It's today's heart, the color of the day.
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes, I am!
Here it comes. Ooh.
Oh, yay! It's yellow! Yippee, 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 yellow!
Can you name 3 things that are yellow, Zuumi?
Hmm.
And can you think of 3 things, young masters?
Oh, I got it!
You got it?
Yep! Cheese! And corn! And a baby chick.
Oh, great job, Zuumi. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's see if you can find yellow in the cartoon today.
Good luck.
Kiss your little brothers and sisters.
Mother Earth, Mother Earth, we thank you for the gifts that you give. Mother Earth, Mother Earth, we thank you for the love that you give. For all the oceans, for all the trees, the rivers and the skies, for all the dragonflies, for all the animals and all the people, mountains all around us, fishes in the sea. Mother Earth.
You can take a break right now if you want, or you can keep going. Next, we're gonna dance with Miss Natalie.
Hello, it's me, Miss Natalie. We're celebrating life with Mother Earth today. I love life. Do you? Let's celebrate life and dance for Mother Earth. Let's raise our hands up to the sun. Are you ready? Come on. Everybody stand up. Follow me. Here we go. Show me your elephant trunks. Ooh, that's so cool. One more time. Good, guys. Everybody, let's step to the left together. Right together. Left together. A little faster. Nice. Get a little bounce in there in your knees. Good. Now we're going to step and then jump. So step and jump. Step and jump. And step and jump together. Step a little faster. Can you do it? That's it. Right and left. And right. Slow it down. One more time we have. Jump and step and jump and step and jump together. Step faster. Let's see you do it. Yeah, that's it. Good job, young masters. All right, let's get low. Low, low, up, and bounce it up again. Low, low, and up, and low, low. One more time. And down, and up. One more time. Good. Now it's time for you to go crazy and be free. like those dance moves. And step together. Step together. Nice. Step together. Good job, everybody. Remember to have a little bit of bounce in those knees. A little faster. Step together. Step together. Step together. Nice. Ooh, those are cool moves. Let's step and jump real slow. Step and jump. Last time. Step and jump and step. And we're done. Good job, young masters. You may be seated.
Mother Earth. Should we say hello to Mother Earth together? Okay, let's say hello, Mother Earth. One more time. Hello, Mother Earth. Where are you taking us today, Mother Earth? Mother Earth. Oh, Mother Earth is taking us to Mexico. Can you say Mexico? Ah, good job. Are you ready for today's story? Okay, get comfortable. Come on, gather round, settle down. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Whew. Here we go. Once upon a time in Puebla, Mexico, a girl was born who loved to work with clay. Her name was Soledad. Soledad liked the way the mud felt in her hands, and her mother and father taught her to make very special tree of life artworks from the mud, which they would make into shapes, and they'd bake it, and then they'd paint it. Soledad used pieces of clay to tell the stories of people and animals and their history. You know, history means the story of where they came from and what we remember about them. Soledad loved to tell her stories of life through her trees. She's going to share her work with you. Would you like to meet Soledad? Yeah, let's call Soledad. Are you ready? Hello, Soledad. One more time. Hello, Soledad.
Hello, my name is Soledad Marta Hernández de Castillo. I am an artist who works with trees of life and sculptures made of clay. I'm coming from Izúcar de Matamoros, Puebla.
Where do you make your art?
This is my family. I taught them to work since they were children, and we work in a workshop in my house, a family workshop.
How old were you when you learned to make art?
I was 17 years old, and the mud and the colors caught my attention. Feeling the mud in my hands was wonderful, and that's why I like it very much.
How do you make your art?
This piece, it's done. First, this one piece, this is another, this is another, this is another, up to here. And then the arches are put on. One, other, this, and then you put this on. It sticks with water and mud. And then you begin to make figurine by hand, and then you add it. And so each tree, there's the tree of life with Adam and Eve, there's the tree of history of the mole, poblano, there's the history of chocolate, always different. This tree is about the sea. That's why it has fish, it has octopus, it has a shark, it has many more figures, and so each tree we make represents history in each piece we make.
How do you feel when you make your art?
I feel very happy because when I understood the trees well, I told my husband I like them so much that sometimes I can't sleep because I'm thinking of another model, another piece, and that makes me very happy.
Hey, did you like meeting Soledad? I did too. Did you see the color yellow? You did. I did too. There was yellow in her blouse and in the tree of life. Now, how did Soledad's art make you feel? Yes, it made me feel how special life is and that everything has a story. My question for you this week is, when you look around, where do you see life? What do you do that reminds you of life? Is it breathing? Or feeling your heart? Or laughing with a friend? That reminds me of how beautiful life is. Next time, we're going to meet another beautiful artist. Until then, I have something for you to think about. Did you ever wonder what makes the earth brown, or makes the sky blue, or makes the sun yellow? Did you ever wonder what makes you, you? It's the way you smile at the people you meet, the love you share, the friends you make that make you, you, and make being you worthwhile. We'll see you next time. Oh, what's that, Rainy? Oh, Rainy says before we go, we should do the Young Masters Pledge. Stand up. Is everybody ready? Okay. Make a peace sign with your right hand, place it over your heart, and repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to use my gifts
to use my gifts
every day
every day
in every way,
in every way,
for I am a young master.
for I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
Oh, very good, young masters. So what's today's secret? Life. Can you sign and say life with me? Life. Let's do it again. Life. Good job. Now, can you repeat after me? I love life. Okay, very good. Now, this week, can you draw a picture of life for me? And maybe you can use the color yellow. Oh, I'd love that. Bye-bye, friends. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Zooming around the world, there are people like you and me. Try